Overtaking zone. 23. Failure to yield the right of way. Failure of a vehicle on the left to yield the right of way to the vehicle on the right way when these vehicles approach or enter an intersection at the same time. 24. Failure to yield the right of way. Failure of a vehicle approaching but not entered an intersection to yield the right of way to a vehicle within such intersection. Remarks 1,000.
Okay, sabi niya, overtaking at any railway grade crossing. Okay, wala naman dito railway grade crossing yan, kaya safe kayo dito. Wala naman dito bridges ng tren. Okay, sabi dito, overtaking at an intersection. Okay, usually, pag intersection, bawal talaga lang mag-overtake. Lalo na dito, kung bawa sa intersection, dito kung mag-overtake, bawal yan. Overtaking doon daw po sa men walking or may gumagawa kalsada, doon ka pala overtake. Bawal yun. Overtaking at no overtaking zone. O sa mga no overtaking zone, usually kapag may single straight line, yun po yung mga no overtaking zone. Failure to yield the right of way. Okay. Sabi yan dito. Si vehicle A, straight. Si vehicle B, straight din. Yung B. Sabay silang dumating sa intersection. Sino kaya sa dalawa ang dapat daw mauna? Si A or si B? Okay. Ang dapat daw po dito mauna, si B. Si B kasi, siya yung nasa kanan ni A. Nasa right niya. Okay. Nasa right. Yun po yung ano sa matas. Ang naka-right of way dito si B. Ayon sa section 23 is, kapag ginawa ni A, inunahan niya si B. Kapag inunahan niya si B na dumiretso, supposed to be dapat kasi si B yung mauna kasi siya yung naka-right of way.